Most people have a specific mental image of what an SUV should be. Practical, spacious, reasonably comfortable. The 2026 Audi RS Q8 Performance completely ignores that mental image and asks one simple question instead. What if an SUV could accelerate like a supercar and drive like one too? Today on Car Review CR, we're going to find out if Audi's most powerful SUV ever actually lives up to its own hype. Let's get straight to the headline because it genuinely deserves top billing. Under the hood sits a 4.0-liter bi-turbocharged V8, making 631 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That's the most powerful engine Audi has ever put in an RS vehicle. And it launches this 5,418-pound SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. A 5-seat family SUV doing that kind of acceleration should feel borderline irresponsible. And honestly, it does, in the absolute best way possible. The 2026 Audi RS Q8 Performance starts at $138,300, which is serious money. But here's what that price actually includes. You get RS-tuned adaptive air suspension as standard, active roll stabilization with electric motors in the stabilizer bars, standard ceramic brakes, standard 22-inch wheels, heated and ventilated front seats, a 17-speaker Bang and Olufsen audio system, and the complete RS Performance package. Nothing essential gets hidden behind options on the base build. Now here's what genuinely surprised me about this vehicle. It doesn't feel like Audi built a sports car and bolted on an SUV body. It feels like Audi engineered a luxury SUV and then went back and carefully added performance at every single point. The RS-tuned adaptive air suspension balances sharp handling with genuine comfort. Comfort mode stays composed for daily driving, while dynamic mode sharpens responses for back roads until it's genuinely athletic. The active roll stabilization system does mechanical work you can feel, keeping body roll flat during aggressive cornering while still riding smoothly over broken pavement. The interior is genuinely spacious for a performance SUV. The rear seat offers ample headroom and legroom for full-size adults, and cargo space remains genuinely useful. Over 30 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 60, with them folded. This isn't a one-trick performance toy. You could actually drive this as a daily vehicle without feeling like you're making constant sacrifices. The exterior design signals its intentions without needing to scream about them. The single-frame grille, large air intakes, aggressive front fascia, and dual oval RS exhaust tips all announce what's coming. Standard 22-inch wheels help fill the arches properly, and the overall stance is wide and low for an SUV without looking cartoonish. Here's my honest final take. The 2026 Audi RS Q8 Performance is one of those rare vehicles that genuinely excels at being multiple things simultaneously. It's absurdly quick, genuinely comfortable, practically spacious, and engineered with real RS Performance DNA. If you've been wondering whether an SUV can actually be both fun and functional, the RS Q8 Performance answers that question with authority. That's your Car Review CR breakdown on the 2026 Audi RS Q8 Performance. Drop a comment. RS Q8, or would you go for the BMW X6M competition? Subscribe and catch you in the next one.